Good morning, my little ones. Time to wake up now.
Make sure you clean your teeth properly.
We are almost done, Papa.
You children are doing a wonderful job.
Can we play when we are finished? Yes, let's play hide and seek.
Going to the market to buy a chicken. I will take that chicken, please. Look at all the things I have brought for us.
Father is finally home.
Let's get this chicken ready for the curry.
The fire is hot and ready.
Perfect. It'll be delicious.
I can't wait to eat, Father.
This fresh masala will make the curry delicious.
This is going to be delicious.
I can't wait to eat.
You have to wait for dinner. Now we add the fragrant rice.
It smells amazing.
This will be a perfect meal for a rainy day.
Now some fried onions. Perfect. Seal it tight.
Look, Father, my boat is ready to sail.
Be careful not to get wet, my child. Here is the delicious biryani.
Wow, smells incredible.